Hey guys, welcome back. This is Wet Wave. So I will have to make this video again. Yeah, I was trying to make it last night, but it's quite unfortunate that my phone mic was off. So I did all the video and all of that with my mic off. It was so sad, but it was rewarding at the end because it was during that time that the market opened and I was able to secure 240 pips for myself. Okay, so it was rewarding at the end if you ask me. So now I'll be remaking the video. Okay, and what is this video all about? A lot of you are in my platform, you want to make money the same way I am making money. The only thing you're seeing is people making money as well, but you want to join them, you don't really know how it works. So in this video, I'll be teaching you what Forex is all about and how you can also participate. Okay, so with no further ado, let's get into it. So first, what is Forex? Forex is basically foreign exchange. The word Forex was coined out of foreign exchange. My name is Oladayo Timothy, right? Let me just say my name is Oladayo. You can call me DY, you can call me D1. The Timothy, you can call me Tim. Sure. And you can even call me T-High. Makes sense, right? So the word Forex was coined out of foreign exchange. F-O-R, foreign, E-X, exchange. Join them together, get Forex. So we that trade the Forex market, they call us Forex trader. So the same way you're looking at me right now, the moment you started to trade the financial market, you become a Forex trader. Okay, so what do you need to trade the financial market? First, you need your smartphone. Okay, and secondly, you need to acquire the knowledge. But in this case, if you don't want to acquire the knowledge, you can be copying my trade, okay, which is why I'm making this video to get you started. So Forex is basically foreign exchange, like I said earlier, and what you do here is that we sell one currency while we buy another. Okay, it's all about buying and selling of currency. It's as simple as ABC. But in this video, I will be teaching you how to set up your trading account. Now, there is something that connects you with the market. How do you access this market? That is when broker comes in. You will need a broker to access the market. So it is that broker now that now send me to you. Yeah, I am from HFM because HFM is the broker that I use to trade the financial market, and they are very reliable, they are very accessible, they are very good. Trust me, I use them. It is tested and trusted. Okay, that is why I am introducing you to HFM. Okay, Hot Forex. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to set up your trading account. So first and foremost, you need to visit www.hotforex.com. So let's do that together. Immediately, it will change to hfm.com. Okay, but you can just type hotforex.com. Yesterday, like I said, I already did the registration because this is a new account. I created this account basically just to teach you guys how to set up your account. So I already created the account, but I will just guide you guys through step by step how to do it. So you can see register. Okay, so you click on the register or try a free demo. Demo account is basically like a virtual. Okay, it's just a demo. You can trade with it. If I drop a signal, you can trade that signal with demo to see how it works and all of that. But you can withdraw the money, and that's just it. It's just basically a demo. Okay. So let's click on register. So you get this one, register.hfm.com. Then you verify that you're a human. Of course, a woman being a binner. Oh my God. So we click that to verify that we be human being. So after that, successful. Okay. So the next thing to do here now is to register, put your email, your password, and then you continue. This place for future benefit. Okay. You put my referral code, I refer you. Okay, so let them know you are coming from me for future benefit. So you insert this code, very important and very compulsory. Okay, you put this code 304-36818. Very, very compulsory. Then you continue. Okay, but like I said, I already register. Okay, I already register. So what we do now, I just want to log in. So after you have done that, you will get the remaining information. You put your state, you put wherever information you see there, just put it. And if there's a need for you to still put that referral code, still put it. It is for your own good. Okay, so you do that. So let me just log in. Like I said, I already created this account. Okay, I did that yesterday for the sake of this video. So quite unfortunate that all my effort yesterday was, well, I will not say it was in vain, but thank God for the win at the end of the day. So let me just put my password. Okay, so that's just the way it is. So this is the demo account that I created yesterday. Okay, so let's create another demo account so that we can demonstrate it. And if you want to create a live account, yeah, you click on live. Okay, after you click on live, you will see live account. Okay, so if you want to create a live account now, this is the process. You click on the open a live account. Okay, so this is the one that will require you to fund money, and like I said, make sure you fund at least $50. Okay, so we have different type of accounts here. We have the cent, we have the premium, we have the zero spread, we have the pro, we have the pro plus. So as a beginner with your $50 account, for instance, I will advise you go for the one for zero spread. Okay, spread is basically the charges from your broker, but in this case they are telling you that, okay, they will not be charging you anything for the trade you're taking, but after your trade, we will take commission from your profit. Does that make sense now? So instead of to charge you, because the moment you are entering the trade, first thing you'll be seeing is negative, okay, minus. But in this case, even if you see minus, they are not charging you. You are seeing minus based on the trade you enter, not that they are the one charging you for that. Okay, but why in this case, in this one, you can say spread from 1 to 2 pips. You understand? In this case, they are charging you for the premium. They will be charging as you are entering the trade. They already take their own percentage, their own spread charges. They took it, but this one they will not charge you anything, but there's a commission after the trade. So let's say you want to select this one. Once you click it, so now we can see HFM/MT5. Okay, for the MT5, I'll come to that later. So just leave it at there. Then you can choose the currency you want to be trading with. On this account, I already choose Naira, but you can choose dollar. There is dollar option there. This was a mistake. Okay, so choose USD. Then this one, you can leave it at 1,000. You can leave it at 1,000. Then you can just choose your nickname, put the password, and here again you put this code. Okay, 304-36818. Very, very compulsory, like I said earlier. Then you add it, and that's all. Your account is ready. Okay, the next thing now is to fund your account. Okay, the next thing is to what? Fund your account. So let's go back to the one I created yesterday so that I will show you how to fund your account. So let's go back to home page. So if you want to deposit, okay, you just click on these 3 dots here. After that, you click on deposit. Then you can see you can deposit whether with credit card, bank transfer, crypto, and all. You know, the all means you can use instant bank transfer, option A, option B, option C, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, yada yada yada. There are many options for you to choose from here. But in this case, what we are going to do is to create a demo account. Okay, so that I will credit the demo account and then connect it with the MT5. Okay, but I'm just showing you if in case you want to deposit on your live account. So let's switch to demo account, because I would like to take trade, and I would like to take trade. So let's create a demo account. So let's create a demo account from afresh. Then I'll be able to connect it with the MT5 to show you how to do the connection if you want to do it yourself. So the only option I have for the demo account is demo premium. So I'll just select it like that for the sake of this video. Okay, so I have the HFM/MT5 just the same way it is on the live account. So in this case, I will just choose US dollar. Like I said, choose US dollar, or you can choose Naira, whichever one you like. Then the balance, let me just credit it with $1,000. I don't need it for anything. I don't trade demo. So this is just for the education purposes. So I will just put my nickname. Let me just put Oladayo. Okay. Then the password, let it be Wet Nation. Is my password. Now my account is ready. This is my login account. Okay, this is my account number. Let me just put it that way. Then the password is, don't forget, let me just go to MetaTrader 5. Let's connect it with MetaTrader 5. So no trading account here, right? So let's add trading account. You can see the HFM Global, and we can see it's already there, HFM Global. So the account number that I copied, I will just paste it here. Okay, so the password, but in your own case, you will not see this HFM. You know, I'm already using HFM. So this is how to search it. Click on Find Broker. You type HFM and to pop up. So you choose the one with HFM open bracket SV close bracket limited. This one, you choose it. Okay, then you put your account number, paste it, Wet Nation. I think my account is ready. Okay, let me see. Okay, you can see my account is ready. You can see my $1,000 demo account. So let's trade. Let me show you the interface, the way the whole thing now work. So now here you can see quote, here you see chart, here you see trade, here you see history, and here you see message. So the only one you have business with all of it. Okay, but the most important one is the quote, chart, trade, and your history. So we have the quote here. So in the quote, you can see all manner of currency pair. You can see Euro, USD, GP, USD, CHF, yada yada yada. Okay, but in my case, you know, I trade SA USD. So in case you want to do for SA USD, you just click on this plus sign and you search SA USD. You can see it pop out. Then you click on this plus sign. Then you add it to your quote. Okay, so now we have SA USD here. So the next thing you just do is once you click on the SAUSD, you click on the chart, it will take you to this place. It's as simple as that, guy. Not so complex. So after that, so you can see sell, you can see this 0.5 is my lot size, my preferred lot size, the one I used to trade with, and this buy is the case. If I send a signal, you can see sell and buy. Like I said, Forex is all about buying and selling. So you can see the buy, you can see the sell. So let's say I drop a signal in the group, a buy good, and you get to see it on time. Maybe you see it, maybe I drop it like 12:01 and you see it at 12:02. Okay, you don't need to think too much about it. The only thing what you should do immediately is to click on buy. Okay, you click on buy, automatically you are in that trade. Okay, so if I say stop loss, if I give you the number, okay, all this thing you're seeing here, all those number you are seeing, 3368, 3365, all those number you are seeing by this side of this what was it called, of this chart, is the price of the market. Okay, we buy and sell, so these are the price. So currently now price is at 3375.22. Show you get, so you can see that is the current price of the market. So if I give you a signal and I say zone, that zone means this current price of the market. Or if I say, okay, this zone, no, buy gold at this zone, 3375 or 3374, which means if price still comes to 3374, this particular trade is still valid. You can still buy. So with that, you still minimize your risk, because we buy when it is low, we sell when it is high. When it is low is when it is low is when we buy, so that we can make more profit, and when it is high is when we sell, so we can make more profit. I hope you understand that now. So if I say, okay, buy gold in this zone, it means I am saying buy gold at this particular time because it is okay for you to buy gold. Then your stop loss, you can just click on it on the interface. You see close SLTP, then click on the SL, then put your stop loss where I asked you to put it in the signal. Okay, but okay, your stop loss should be 3370. You can see 3370. All you do now is just click it and then modify. Very simple, very simple. Then if you look at this thing, you can see I'm in profit. Okay, I am in profit because gold is buying. I already did the analysis, so I know it was going to buy. Okay, so you can see I'm in profit, and you can see that my balance is still 1000. My equity is the one adding, because okay, it is until I close this trade that everything will now sum up to be my balance. But for now, my balance is my $1000, and if I'm in loss, the same thing will still happen. I'll be seeing the negative. Okay, my equity will be like 900, 800. That is, I'm in loss. Okay, so that is how it is. So now let's say you now want to enter the trade based on the signal that I give. Maybe as the same way I write it there. Enter gold. Buy gold. So TP at this zone, stop loss at this zone. You just type it here. Don't forget where I press. I press at this plus sign. Click on it. Then you will see market instant execution. We have a lot of it. You can see buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Market execution is basically when I drop a signal and you just want to type it out by yourself. So you just type your TP here. You type your TP here, the take profit that I give you, in case I say okay, and your take profit is 3380. Your stop loss is 3378. 3378. Okay, so the next thing you just do is to click on buy. Okay, so automatically this trade is running with both SL and TP. Look at my SL and look at the TP. It's as simple as A, B, C. But just for educational purposes, you can see it is very, very close to each other. But it's just for educational purposes, so you can see how it is. So in a situation when I say okay, break even, but that's the most important thing. This one helps you to manage your risk. When I say break even, it simply means shift your stop loss. Shift your stop loss to your entry point. Now you can see my stop loss initially is supposed to be $288. But now I now say okay, break even at this point so that you will be trading risk free. You won't have to lose any money, but you have to wait for that order from me. You can't just make that decision on your own since you don't really know how this thing works. So that means at this point now, I want to save my money. I don't want to risk any money again since I am already in profit. So what I will do now is to now shift my stop loss and put it on my entry like this. Voila. Automatically, if this price should come down, I will be out of this trade without having to lose any money. Am I making sense? So that is how it is. You can see this trade now. I am running in $196, but I cannot withdraw it. It is demo. So my advice for you, you can see my balance has gone back to $940. The one that I took just now, it stop loss. So this stop loss now will help me to manage my risk. So imagine out of $1,000, I only have to lose $59 because I manage my risk. But the first one that I enter is still running. So if I should close this one now, my profit will come back to be, like you can see my profit. Just check the equity. The equity is my own money. Whatever I'm seeing, the equity is my money. If I close it now, what I'll be earning is 1,130. Okay, so that is it, guys. So it's as simple as ABC, but I will still advise you acquire more knowledge. Okay, Forex will change your life. Trust me, Forex will change your life, but you need to acquire the knowledge. Okay, you need to acquire the knowledge, guys. It's very, very important you acquire the knowledge. So if you want me to teach you, I can teach you everything, all the basic knowledge, all the things you need to know. And if you also want to learn more about the Forex too, everything is on my YouTube channel. Okay, just go to my YouTube. You will learn what is Forex, lot size, pips, everything that has to do with basic knowledge of it. I think it's on my YouTube. Okay, so with that, you can still level up. Okay, so go to my YouTube now. Start from the beginning. You will see what is Forex, pips, lot size. Trust me, the basic knowledge, all you need to still know. Then couple with all this one I just said, you can be able to copy my signal without having to fear. Okay, so if you watch this video to this level, do it to like, to share, and do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.